Hello students, today we are going to start new lesson is lesson number 9, Introduction to MS Excel. Okay, MS Excel is an application software that helps us to analyze and store data. It organizes the data in form of rows and columns. You can create charts and graph from the data and convey more meaningful information through them. MS Excel is of great importance to those who maintain accounts for sales, bills or do mathematical calculations. MS Excel has features and applications for calculations and graphic tools and tables for presenting text and numeric data. Now we are going to see how to start MS Excel. Some steps we are going to see. Let's see.
If we want to open Excel program, then click on Start button. Then one list will open. There all programs option will be there. You can click on all programs. Then one list will open. There many programs are there. Through the vertical scroll bar, you can see many options in that. And you can select Microsoft Office option. Then many Microsoft Office programs will be there. From there we can select Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Then window will open.
Now we are going to see components of MS Excel. Some components are there that we are going to see, like title bar, menu bar, workbook, worksheet, cells, columns, rows, standard toolbar and other things. Let's see.
Now we are going to see components of MS Excel window. First, title bar. Title bar is top of the screen. On the title bar, name of the application will be there and which file we have saved, that file name will be there on the title bar. And on the title bar, 3 buttons are there, like minimize, maximize and close button. With close button, we can close the program. With maximize button, we can increase or decrease the size of the window. And minimize button, we can minimize the window on the taskbar. Now next we are going to see menu bar. In that menu bar, different tabs are there, and that different tabs, different commands are there, like home, insert, formula, page layout, data, review and view. Now we are going to see formula bar. In formula bar, which formula we have used in MS Excel, that formula name available in formula bar. Next, columns. Columns are verticals. Letters are there like A, B, C, D. These are the columns. Now, rows. Rows are horizontal. Numbers are rows like 1, 2, 3. Columns and rows, where is intersection point, it is called cells. Worksheet has grid like divisions. Now we are going to see name box. Which cell we are working on, that cell name or cell reference, it is visible on the name box. For example, if C column and 5 rows, then name will be there C5. Horizontal and vertical scroll bar. Horizontal scroll bar, we can see the columns, and vertical scroll bar, we can see the rows. Now we are going to see workbook. In workbook, many worksheets are there. Now we are going to see worksheets. Worksheets are document of the pages.
Now we are going to see facts about rows and columns. A worksheet has 10,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns. In worksheet, rows are numbered from top to bottom along the left side of worksheet as 1, 2, 3. Columns are labeled from left to right with letters as A, B, C, D. Okay. Now we are going to see file menu button. In the file menu, different options are there like save, save as, open, new, like that options will be there. The file menu button in MS Excel document performs many functions. It allows us to create new document, open, save document, and save existing document. You can close it when your work is finished. Now we are going to see ribbon. The panel at the top of MS Excel document is called the ribbon. Ribbon has different tabs: Home, Insert, View, Review, Page Layout, Formulas, Data. Let's see.
Home tab, clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, cells, editing. We can do with Home tab. And Insert tab, these are the options: tables, illustrations, charts, sparklines, filter, links, text, symbols. And in the page layout, themes, page setup, scale, to fit, sheet options, arrange, formulas. In formulas, functions library, define names, formula auditing, calculations. Now data. In data, get external data, connections, sort and filter, data tools, outline, and review. In the review, proofing, language, comments, changes. And in the view, workbook views, show, zoom, window, macros.
Now we are going to see quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar is customized toolbar which contains commands that you may want to use. You can place the quick access toolbar above or below the ribbon. Let's see.
To change the location of the toolbar, click on the arrow at the end of the toolbar and select Show below the ribbon. You can also add many more items to the toolbar. Right-click on any file item in the File menu button or the ribbon and select Add to Quick Access Toolbar, and a shortcut will be added to it.
Now we are going to see mini toolbar. Mini toolbar is displayed when you select the text or right click on it. It has common formatting tools such as bold, italic fonts, font size, fonts or fonts color. Now we are going to see working with workbook. We can create a workbook by entering data into worksheet. Now we are going to see how to create a workbook. Let's see.
Click on the File menu button and then after that click on New option. Then choose the blank workbook from the available templates and click on Create to open. By default, a new document shows 3 sheets at the bottom of the screen. The highlighted one is open for you to work on.
Now we are going to see how to enter in data in MS Excel worksheet. Let's see. There are different ways to enter the data in MS Excel worksheet. You can select an active cell or choose the formula bar to enter data. To enter data in an active cell, you can just click in the cell where you want the data and begin typing.
To enter data through the formula bar, click on the cell where you want your data. Then place the cursor on the formula bar and type in your formula. Press the enter key after entering the complete formula.
Now we are going to see saving a workbook. We have 2 options to save workbook. One is save and another one is save as. Let's see.
Click on the File menu to select Save or Save As option. A Save As window opens for you. Type the name of the workbook in the file name box and finally click on Save option to save the document.
Now we are going to see how to open a save workbook. Let's see.
Click on the File menu button and select Open option and Open window appears. Browse to locate your workbook in the Look in the box. Click on the title of the workbook and choose Open to open it.
Today we have seen introduction of MS Excel, introduction to MS Excel, how to start MS Excel, how to create workbook, how to save workbook, how to open a workbook. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.